Hey Whitefish, this is Josh with a trail report for what's going on in the bike park this summer. All sorts of great things to tell you about. Let's get started. Number one, we got a new blue flow trail called Motley Blue. It should be opening in just about mid-June. Gonna have about almost 30 berms and over a dozen jumps. It's gonna be a great piece connecting our B-sides area down to the village area, and we hope you like it. We've been doing tons of other trail work as well. We've made improvements on Rush, Limelight. We have a whole new section of lower Limelight. We've rebuilt the top third of Money. We reworked the whole B-sides collection area for both Cashmere, Summit Trail, and all the trails that exit out of there. So all those trails have been improved, including a new drop in the Zeppelin Drop Park. We have a new 100-foot long rock garden going into Cindi's Loppers. There is trail improvements going on all over the mountain, and it should be a really good summer ahead. Also, we have the $10 downhill is back. We have a 6-week downhill race series on Thursday nights this summer, starting in late July and going to early August. We're having 6 of those downhill races. We're also having 3 cross-country races alongside of them, so check the calendar, and I hope to see you for those. So yeah, Whitefish, we've got lots of trail work planned throughout the entire summer. We've already got a lot under our belt. Bike park is riding great. Should be a great summer ahead. Thanks so much.